2-3 ओवर में, तो यही पिल्ले चाहेंगे। खेल दिया है मिड ऑफ दिशा में, 2 रन मिलेंगे। बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी करते हुए पिल्ले इस समय रन आ रहे हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। बॉक डाउन बिल्कुल नहीं हुए पिल्ले।
Ajay Mehra and well, Ritinder, you must be enjoying Bengaluru because cricket has been pretty good, and at the same time, what looked like to be a Telugu Warriors depend on the skipper Akhil Lakhineni. The previous over was probably the important over from the Kerala strikers' point of view. A catch was dropped; it went for a 6. And somewhere down the line, once your shoulders start drooping, the opposition will try to ride over you.
Very rightly said. Oh, goodness gracious! इससे अच्छा कैच क्या होगा? इससे अच्छी क्रिकेट।
Watching the replay would tell us a story that once the ball left the bat, it was high in the air, going towards the boundary, but then what a catch. The timing to move pretty important, and definitely the confidence of Telugu Warriors. Ashwin getting the breakthrough, but then probably sent down a loosener as a matter of celebration. 16 overs gone. Kerala strikers fighting it out, 113 for 5. Good time, 47 balls, 5 boundaries. Vociferous appeal, no doubt in the mind of the umpire. The Telugu Warriors will not give it up easily.
एक इंपॉर्टेंट विकेट यहाँ पर, बहुत मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती हैं केरला के लिए।
If they continue to score at 10 runs per over, they would reach the figure of 150, which is a necessity on the Chinnaswamy wicket. Boundary still eluding, going for the second run. They need to take risks now. They just have 4 wickets in hand, but then overs are also drying up.
पिल्ले का खेलना बहुत जरूरी।
Pillai will go for everything and anything, so you must try to lure him and ensure that he makes a mistake. There was a possibility again. A little bit of due factor playing.
लुक्स लाइक कि बॉल उनके हाथ से बिल्कुल निकल गया, आसान रन आउट हो सकता था यहाँ पर। नैरो एस्केप बैट्समैन के लिए, और केरला बहुत खुशकिस्मत रही इस समय, क्योंकि एक और विकेट यहाँ पर अगर आउट हो जाता तो मुश्किलें और बढ़ जाती। और ये देखिए आसान सा रन आउट, लेकिन बॉल हाथ में आया ही नहीं। शायद आंखें, नजरें बॉल से हटा ली आखिरी मूवमेंट पर। ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस अभी तक रही है, और अभी 2 विकेट लेकर वो गेम में वापस आ गए। और यहां पर ओह, another lapse. Is pressure showing on them?
Not able to hold the ball in their clasp. Watch it again. Miscuing straight into the hands like catching practice, but just the way the previous run out was missed, until and unless the catch is taken, it's never a catch.
लगता है थोड़ी नजर लग गई है इनकी फील्डिंग को। हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं इनके फील्डिंग एफर्ट की। और यहाँ पर पिल्ले 57 पर बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं, उठा दिया है मिड विकेट दशा में। 6 रन मिलेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट 6। जब तक पिल्ले हैं तब तक तेलुगु पे बहुत प्रेशर है। पिल्ले का विकेट लेना बहुत जरूरी इस समय, लेकिन पिल्ले के इरादे कुछ और ही।
A true cricketing shot. We waited for that delivery from Ashwin and pulling it high over mid wicket. No problems at all, dispatching it into the stands. Great shot, and many more required for Kerala strikers to cross the 150 barrier. Looks like another boundary. So boost is the secret of Pillai's energy.
Boost is the secret of Pillai energy, rightly said. और इंपॉर्टेंट रन इस समय आ रहे हैं, प्रेशर तेलुगु वॉरियर पर बढ़ता हुआ। क्योंकि 150 रन अगर हो जाते हैं तो बैटिंग आपकी जितनी मर्जी अच्छी हो आपको वो बनाने पड़ेंगे, और ये भाग्यशाली रहे। लेकिन 4 रन, इंपॉर्टेंट 4 इस समय। फिर पिल्ले के बैट से बॉलर बहुत ही निराश।
Almost played on Pillai. This time going in for a mighty heave. He'll go for everything and anything, as we said, and rightly so, because after this delivery only about 12, so 13 balls to go. In 13, if you take 2 runs a delivery, it'll about 26, so 150 is on the cards if Pillai stays.
और बहुत अच्छा टोटल होगा, 150 रन इस विकेट पर, जहां पर बॉल इतनी तेजी से नहीं आ रहा है, थोड़ा स्लोनेस है विकेट में, और तेलुगु वॉरियर के लिए थोड़ी मुश्किल हो सकती है। लेकिन अबे, और फिर पैरों का इस्तेमाल किया, 2 रन लेना चाहते हैं। अरे
Safe position. No run at all. The bowler firmly in control, had all the time in the world to pick up the ball, go to the...
So I'm seeing like, oh, this Telugu team is fantastic. They are doing a wonderful and fantastic job. So I look at this team.
74 of just 55, gets his 75th run, wants the second run, slips a bit, but I think it will be pretty safe because the throw is pretty wide. So already 9 runs from this over. The Kerala dugout is looking a bit visibly happy after a long time, which was not the scene after the 13th over. But once Rajiv Pillai started striking the ball, things looked different for Kerala strikers, and he has delivered. Necessarily stay for the next 7 deliveries so that 160 barrier can be crossed. On his follow through, could have tried that at the end of over number 19. Will be bowling the last over, which could probably tell us the final story of the match. Picks up a single of the first ball, allowing Pillai.
पिल्ले के क्या इरादे हैं?
Missing the line. Good bowling and gone. Akhil Akineni having the final laugh, and this over could be crucial.
राहत होगी तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए, और यहाँ पे बहुत प्रोएक्टिवनेस दिखाई अखिल ने। बड़ी अच्छी कीपिंग की अभी तक पूरे मैच में।
An intelligent bowling by Adarsh. He saw Rajiv moving slightly to the left, pitched it on the little right beyond the reach. Another wicket. So bowling wides and get run-outs.
अरे ऑल हैपनिंग हियर। अपना ग्लव्स को उतारना पड़ता है, उसके बाद बॉल को थ्रो करना पड़ता है, लेकिन अखिल जिस तरह ये कर रहे हैं बहुत ही काबिले तारीफ।
बहुत ही प्रैक्टिस किया होगा अखिल ने during the nets. That shows very clearly, pretty far and back. It's been a great final over. Just 2 runs from the over, 1 in the form of a wide, and 2 wickets has fallen. Manikuttan, the right man to be on strike, 2 dot deliveries.
144 रन हर रन।
Smart fielding, quite content to give away the single. The question, the demand was for a 6, but they'll have to remain content. Taking the 3rd run, and the throw coming at the wrong end, and this time Akhil Akineni will not get the 10th wicket. So 20 overs gone. Kerala strikers, the way they were playing at the end of 12th over, finally have done well. A fighting total, if not a winning total, 148 for 9.